We decided to make a new tutorial for how to find the Facebook ID, as the older one did not work anymore. Also, we created a tool special for this tutorial. Go first to dexblog.net. Select from the menu tool, Find Facebook ID. For this tool, you will just need the Facebook profile or page link. Go to Facebook profile and copy the URL. Paste it into our tool and click Find Facebook ID. You will get in a few seconds the Facebook user ID. The same is for Facebook pages. Copy the URL of a page and paste it into the tool. Press Find Facebook and you will get your ID. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. And also give us a big like on Facebook. Bye bye!